I can see clearly now. The rain is gone.
Gotta cook. Gotta cook. Gotta cook.
Welcome back to another vlog. What's up? What's up? What's up? It's a new day. It's actually my off day, but I am living in gym clothes every day of the week now, just because you know I go to Pilates on a Wednesday and today is Wednesday. Yeah, I'm starting this vlog in the middle of the week because I just dropped the previous vlog today. We don't talk about it, sorry. So this is obviously gonna be a days in my life vlog, which that previous vlog should have really been a like weeks in my life, but child. Anyways, why out here get so much traffic already? So right now I'm gonna ship packages for PS LUXE. By the way, go ahead and shop the best lace line at psluxehair.com. Not too long ago, actually that was brunch, but that was a nice brunch. I actually made like this avocado toasted sandwich, which was really good, really good. I couldn't even finish it. I leave half, so I'm gonna eat the next half like when I feel a little peckish. Now the man said he was gonna make dinner today, but he had to go to a meeting. I don't know if I'm still gonna make dinner because he made dinner yesterday. But the good thing is I had seasoned some chicken from last week, so that well marinated, but I still don't really want a chicken. You know, when I think at 2:30 before the school bus them start, Lord God. And I'm gonna run into I know we just went grocery shopping, but that's the thing. Greens I for just always a buy. Always I forgot the supermarket. So I'm literally going into the supermarket just to pick up some greens, because I know like you can't buy a month worth of greens. You have to buy that weekly. So I'm gonna pick up some greens and some more eggs. We're not completely out of it yet, but it's getting there, and we bought so much. Yeah, if it's not parfait, it is eggs and like turkey bacon for breakfast every single day. So just gonna run in and get that, and then I'm gonna go back home for a quick minute. They actually called and told me that my contacts are ready. Remember we went for the eye exam, so they just called me not too long ago, told me that my contacts are ready. But I mean, I go to the gym tomorrow anyway, so I can just pick it up afterwards, and I'm not really in any rush. I kind of want my glasses more because I'm constantly on my computer on a daily. So when I'm coming for which I'm hoping, because they told me 7 to 10 business days, it's what, only like today would be the 3rd business day. So I'm thinking that okay, hopefully them coming for the glasses then. Guys, why yesterday I was able to just wear my sports jacket outside for a prolonged period because it was up in the 50s, closer to the 60s. It felt really nice. Why the ice rain now? It's literally ice raining, and it's set to snow for like 4 hours. This is insane. This year, the winter year, insane. Because I've been here, even though them say years ago, it would even snow all the way up into April, which that would be springs. Winter would have gone, but yes, so winter is so stretched out where it will overlap into other seasons. But like when? It's because I see the time gets so warm. Previous days were so nice and sunny and the perfect weather. I know it's ice raining, and this rain is gonna go straight into snow. But just hope our little baby snow will just hurry up and melt off, because the place fully like you will see snow in like some areas where much sunlight not in, but for the most part all of the snow melt off at the street them and something, man. Yeah, just shipped some packages at the post office, and gonna get this my second glutes day. Today is lighter glutes day, So on a Monday I do heavy glutes, and on a Thursday I used to do it the next way around, but it's important. I have to keep on revisit my program that I create, just so that my body don't plateau. And I'm sticking with my programs 6 weeks at a time, even though I'm doing a little tweak for the next week. It was for 14 days, but 7 days already gone. So like for the next 7 days I'm doing this tweaked version, but really and truly I create my programs for myself. My programs for 6 weeks at a time, because you can fully give your body the chance to get the results, or see improvement. Then not because it takes time to truly get results in the gym, along with nutrition. Like everything have to be on point. Oh, by the way, I did tell you guys I got a memory card. It's such a breeze now that I got the memory card from it's the Amazon Basics. It runs smooth. I'm not having the same issue I was complaining about in the previous vlog, where every minute it was recording and then it would just stop abruptly. I'm not having that issue no more. But yeah, and I always do like a core burnout. But I don't know, I just feel like I can use a little bit I can do a little lash set, but I want to do one more carnival inspired look for the season. So I think I'm gonna knock that out before I do my lashes, because whenever I do when you do your lashes, I don't want to have to do any extravagant eyeshadow look for mess up the lashes, So I think it's best I do the extravagant look first. So maybe a weekend before I do the lashes. I have the urge to do it today. But anyways, I'm gonna head to the gym now. I'm gonna go pick up my packages right now. But I just can't believe it. Oh, that's snow. Yeah, determined. Listen, today I came in, it was a late session for me at the gym, but listen, I came in nonetheless. I tell myself I'm not gonna make because I never reached that time here at the time there. It threw off my program with me there, you understand? Oh, I just got my contacts. I actually just picked it up, so I saw that I got a call from them this morning, but I missed it. Well, I'm thinking it's them because I don't know the number, but the number looks similar to the one that called me about my contacts. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna go around there, and I'm thinking that they're gonna have my glasses, which I really wish they had my glasses, so they must say, or the lens that they put in initially wouldn't fit in the frame, so they must have resubmit it or resend it off. Why do people are so stupid? Jeez. And then they put on no indication. That's the thing, like user indicator, man. Yeah, so they're saying early next week, which are gonna turn out longer than the wait period. Anyway, I have the contacts.
Gotta cook. Gotta cook.
This vlog, I did say in the beginning of this vlog or the previous vlog that more than likely this would be a days in the life, but no, it's gonna be a weekly vlog because I started this last Wednesday and I believe you're gonna get this on Wednesday. Yeah, because literally we took a pause this weekend, but they just want chill, you know, inside, and yeah, take it slow. So nothing didn't happen, and also took some time to really sit down and plan my content out that I want to be doing across, well, between TikTok and Instagram, if I'm gonna be so you know, straightforward. You know, I'm still gonna continue with my weekly vlogs here daily. Im sister may I go straight, right? Or am I gonna turn for me? I don't understand. me really not understand. See the whole like back of car gone. Boy, these people drive crazy as hell. Yeah. So I really took time to do that. But I've been watching okay, so I've been watching Paradise, right? Really good, because you guys know I was excited for the longest. So finally got Hulu watch and I'm watching it, but I'm not lie, some parts I feel like them drag it out with the flashbacks, because it's that type of construction, like is a lot of flashbacks, and sometimes I'm not gonna lie, it kind of annoy me. And some of the flashback them can be quicker, them can be a little bit more condensed. Some part I just know say everything makes sense at a point, but it's just like, can we speed it up? So that some part really I lose it, some part feel a little boring, if I'm gonna be so honest. But it's a really good series, but yeah, that could have fixed up. I don't know, maybe because they want it to be a certain amount of episodes. I don't even know why them people park so. Them people park selfish when them a park, you see. But yeah, alright. Yeah, so that's how I feel about Paradise. And I was just like kind of tired. If I get kind of, you know, if I watch a series, then it's just like get to the point and you just kind of lose focus a little bit. So I needed to get into something else. So I remember that I saw that this series they come out with Kim Kardashian and Tiana Taylor and Niecy Nash and those people. So I was like, let me check it out. That's it. It's All's Fair, and it started out really slow in my opinion. There was a point I was watching it and it was like, I feel like I'm watching a magazine cover in action. Like the part where she went home and got set up for the anniversary dinner for she and her husband Chase. I was just like, she looks good, he looks good, and nothing is wrong with that. It's just like it looks super glamorous, you know. Felt a little bit unrealistic, but at the same time they're very rich people in industry or whatever, so I guess. But it just felt a little bit like, wow, I'm literally watching a magazine. But I enjoyed it. I enjoyed all the fashion, like everybody outfit just a hit, everybody just so of course that is one of the parts, but I think they use that to really like, they'll use that in place of other factors that would really help to develop the series more, if you get what I'm trying to say. I think it was some parts were just lacking, like in the initial, but as soon as it progressed, I got a little bit more interested. I did hear a lot of mixed reviews, like didn't perform that well, obviously, because you know people are gonna have their take on like, oh, Kim Kardashian, da, da, da. But I watched it without that outlook, but I get it. It's kind of hard because it's like at the same time this is what you kind of see in real life in Hollywood with them, but it was something to watch. I was entertained, and as I said, the fashion was very inspiring. So yeah, I think I'm on episode 6 or 7, but I'm enjoying it. It's nice. Paradise is more, yeah, Paradise a little bit more. No, Paradise is definitely more, you know, but it's just that as I just feel like some part like, Jesus, speed up the flashback. So yeah, no, I'm gonna see if I can finally get these glasses, because I understand them just a take Alright,
so long.
so I went in there and they indeed had it ready. So if me did sit down there wait for them message me, I would get no message. These glasses places. Anyways, so I got Versace frames. Listen, you guys would think Versace is like my favorite designer brand or something. It's not. I don't have nothing against it though. Because the truth is I end up liking their stuff so much. Well, their glasses for the most part. So the cloth, I got the cloth in this, and then this is, you know, the little packaging, and then I got these frames. I have never gotten like this, you know, leopard kind of. I think this is cute. I don't have any frames. Like, I actually feel like I should wear this home right now. Ooh, that's really cute. I'm swirled. I always love getting fresh lens. Ah, that's what I'm really doing. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get a protein shake. This is so cute. Like, what? No, I actually like this more than I thought I would. I mean, yeah, me choose it, but at the same time, I saw that it was cute and everything, but maybe I too messed this up clear. I mean, any frames would work, right? Nah, this is so nice. This is so nice. I'm actually so pumped to go edit now. I can't wait to go edit now. But yeah, that's my new frames. Loving it. And then I have my contacts, which the other night I did a look indoors, because I mean, at the end of the day, that's kind of what I got them for. Not just to look cute, but to be functionally cute. Can be cute and can't. My eyes aren't bad though. Like as I said, I just have slight astigmatism, so I don't know, in crazy way I can't say I'm putting no, but it make everything just more comfortable, because those contacts are actually really soft on the eyeballs, so very comfortable to wear, and then you're seeing clearly. Of course, the prescription it's not as strong as the glasses, as I said to you guys before. It's like a fraction of it, but it makes a huge difference still, so I really do love it. And I finally got done with doing my final look for the carnival season. Go ahead and guess which costume you think this is for. But yeah, I just got done with it. These liners are actually glow in the dark. That's actually really nice. But yeah, so really pretty. Go ahead and check out my Instagram and TikTok to see the tutorial. But yeah, that's it. I am finally done with my work for the evening. I came home, I filmed multiple videos, feel very fulfilled, and it's actually a bit too late for me today. Like, I'm beyond my hour that I should be eating my last meal, but I couldn't help it. I needed to be done with this look. Okay, so now I'm done with it. I'm just gonna remove the makeup, unfortunately, and just, yeah, get in my PJs and call it a night. Call it a night. Tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow I'm on the talk. I feel like I'll get up in the morning and I'll give you guys a full what I eat in a day and kind of just take you through the entire day with me. So yeah, what's up guys, it's the next morning and I'm about to make my my little collagen peptide coffee. You guys have seen this before, this fit. Well, I showed you guys when I first got it. I did a try on haul for you. The fit. Today's upper body day at the gym. I actually took some of my vitamins / supplements already, and now I'm just gonna have this quick bite to go. You guys remember that, you know, recent times, every minute I would be in Dunkin' drive-through. Yeah, we cut that down drastically. I can't tell when last. I think the last time I went, we went there together, and that's probably 2 vlogs ago. And even though it's 2 vlogs ago and it might sound like it was soon, that's probably going on to probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks now, realistically. And even in that time when I got it, I wasn't getting it there regular. It was just a one-off. So anyways, let me make that coffee here. Yeah, I do like 2 spoons of my vital peptides, as you guys know, and then I boiled some eggs, so I'm gonna have that on a ripe banana. Super simple, very simple. Maybe I chat guys that I'm gonna film. Like, I didn't even realize, but when I said it was a simple breakfast, you guys see how I said it. Like, it's literally a ripe banana and boiled eggs. And I have my coffee, which is not sweetened at all. And I made it with almond milk. I was supposed to make it with oatmeal because, especially when I don't sweeten it, I like the oatmeal because it makes it richer and a little bit nicer to drink for me. That's just me. I'm gonna just eat this and then we'll head through the door. I don't go too crazy with carbs today because today is upper body. When it's like leg day now, I get my sweet potato and lock in. Just got some gas and this weather is so bipolar. I know I'm sorry every time I come on this camera, I fear tell you no come now. I fear tell you no how bipolar the weather is. But it is really that bad. Like the other day I was on TikTok and I saw a bunch of like pages notifying that there was gonna be a tornado like down south that side. That kind of happened, and then within the same time there was this like, it was like crazy rain, right? So it was ice raining one day. That was the day before yesterday, and then yesterday was extreme fog. And then there was this rain. So, like this morning, early this morning, did not stop. It did not stop. The level that it was raining on would go up and down, but it did not stop. And then, seriously windy. Like, it was windy to the point where if you're outside, the wind will probably shift you a little bit. Like, it was blowing down things. It was going crazy. I don't know what's going on. Because last week we had a really nice day, and honestly I wish I did take advantage of that day and go outside. Everybody was outside that day. It felt like a true spring day. I don't want to say summer because summer up here so brutal. If I'm not winter, summer, the summer brutal. When it's summertime, the morning you say don't go outside because you will catch heat stroke. Literally, you catch a stroke.
Gotta cook. Gotta cook.
Day 2 of the workout week is complete. I'm not telling a lie, guys. Oh my gosh, the gym is so full. I'm gonna say better to come earlier, but coming earlier is just as bad. The thing is, people keep on asking me, like on my fitness page, which you should follow me, Sue's Fitness Journey. People keep on asking me, how is it that I'm so lucky to find a gym so empty? The truth is, the gym is not empty. It's just that I kind of go to the areas that I feel like there are least amount of people, even though those areas are really, it's the way I angle the camera, because them area they still have a whole heap of people. Cause yeah, it's just the way I angle the camera. It's a good enough space where if I'm there, nobody else will be in that area. So that's what I kind of like here. So that's why I stick to this LA fitness branch so long, because I've been to other gyms and it's just like, oh, the way this one set up for me personally, I can't work around it with not having to be so close to other people. Honestly, I wish I can't wait for start go on private gym. Like it's another, you know, the thing is, everybody is on their fitness Zoom. I love that. More people need to be on their fitness Zoom. But you know, the thing is when people then at the gym, the biggest pet peeve, and them not do nothing. Jesus Christ. I mean literally not doing anything. Like, especially if they're at a machine that I really want to use, and then them do like one set and them spend 20 minutes on them phone. just nah do nothing and I hug up the machine. Are you okay? That is so inconsiderate. So yeah, well, that's one of the biggest things we up here. So inconsiderate, waste time. And next thing them think I'm a social club. One piece of long chatting. Yeah, that so those are some of the pet peeves with this. And then people will stare at you regardless. Me, I just, even though a lot of times it make me feel uncomfortable, it always make me feel uncomfortable. I have to lock in and do what me have to do. Because I always say this, you know, and I just this alone, I apply this type of mentality to. When you have to do certain things in public or get certain things done for your personal goals and you're in a space where other people are and people are watching and something, yeah, it's gonna make you feel shy, it'll make you feel like, But at the end of the day, you have to go home and face yourself, and literally, you're the one who are gonna regret not executing. Truth is, a lot of times when people that was looking at you earlier on, if you think they were looking at you funny, trust me, 10 hours later, them not even remember about you. So you pick the poison. I prefer just go through it. Them look for me, think whatever they want to think in the moment. But at the end of the day, I got what I needed to get done. Okay. But yeah, I'm about to make my daily post for the day, and I'm just kind of like confused as to which slide I should put first. I'm not even know. I'm gonna go and go make my salad for lunch and have a protein shake. I'm not gonna buy that thick protein shake today just because it wasn't legs. I only have that thick protein shake when it's legs day. Upper body is even though it's still intense, it's still kind of lighter, so I don't really kill up myself. I don't really eat that heavy. And tomorrow is Pilates. Guys, I actually just made a stop at the supermarket, picked up my package and everything, but when I was cashing out, I saw this wafer. I'm not gonna lie, I took a little bit. I'm pretty close to home now, but I took a little bit too long for each home, so me hungry about me and I need to go make my lunch. But I said, you know what, nothing wrong for it because we treat right after your workout, even though this is not exactly right after my workout, but it's still after my workout. This is the Dubai Duo wafer. And you know, I've been somebody want like get her next Dubai chocolate at that same spot in New York. Every time I'm gonna forget. Let's see what this wafer is giving. Let's see. Okay. I kind of limit these sweet things to before or after my workout, just because my body is burning still. It tastes good. I mean, not like the Dubai chocolate, but it tastes good. Can't eat. Girls and guys, this is hours later. I did my makeup and I wish I was going somewhere, but I'm not. I did a ton of videos just now for my TikTok shop and also for IG, because I'm definitely gonna be more consistent over my IG. I feel like I've been showing up, but I want to be more consistent over there. So yeah, I did a little natural looking glam. I love this glam. This is so pretty. But yeah, this is what we're looking like hours later. I'm actually going to get into, I have some packages to open downstairs. So you know what we're gonna do? Let's open them together. Yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and open them. Yeah, may I come. Why am I come down here and forget for change the battery? Why am I look so pink? Oh, I treat just that. But yeah, I need to go lower. Jeez, I'm on the battery want change. I bet I'm gonna go for the battery. Alright. No, not too lower. No, not good. Alright. So you're gonna go space. Alright. Yeah, so guys, I didn't get that much packages today. The funny thing is I got a bunch of packages yesterday. And I just kind of opened them once I got home without any thought to like take the camera up, because I just needed to get to it. But yeah, I think I'm done with all my short form filming for the night. And oh my gosh, I'm just gonna eat dinner. Last night I did more horrible with the time, but thing is, I had a late second meal, so that's the reason why I'm just gonna eat the food, because I never want like eat the gap, the window with the window where I wasn't eating would have been too short, and I would just force the food. So I'm gonna eat something now. All right, so this is an air freshener that I just got from the brand Azuna LUXE glass. So I'm trying this out for the first time. Got it at TikTok shop. So everything I'm showing you guys, you can get from TikTok shop. But this is the actual like substance and odor. This is Azuna, more than an air freshener, odor eliminator plus air freshener, gel refill, aromatherapy with a hint of lavender. So that's how it smells. And I believe this is what you're gonna insert into the thing here. Listen, I'm intrigued because you guys, you know I'm gonna go crazy for a good scent, whether it's for the body or for the environment. I love when places smell good. You will smell good, places smell. Oh, and it's actually two that comes in here. Oh, so it works. So you actually put it in this, like in this container here. It's glass, and then it has holes. So it's gonna have that nice diffuse. Oh, I can. Ooh, I'm excited. Smell how it smells. I'm actually oh, it's very fresh. Yeah, this is how you want your, like, it's not like overly sweet or anything. It's just really fresh. You can smell, you know what I'm saying, aromatherapy. Yeah, it's that fresh calming type of scent. Definitely smell like something that's gonna eliminate any bad scent. Sometimes you ever go to somebody's house before and you can smell like all the meals that's ever been cooked in there. You know what I'm talking, like it have that, it's like it's trapping a million scents. Yeah, something like this I gonna work good for a household like that. So I don't think we struggle with that at all, because I'm obsessed with having the place smell good. It irks my spirit if food scent is trapped for too long, or just anything that doesn't smell fresh or welcoming. So I always, as you guys can see, I'm always stocking up on air freshener, and just I always make sure I have my roots are clean consistently. Yeah. Anyway, so that's that. And then pour out Canton. Got this. I think this is a jumpsuit. Listen, one thing I can tell you, the jumpsuits them on TikTok shop, the quality, like I got this other one, it's from She's Wasted, that's the name of the brand. And them say it snatch you in. I think that brand does shapewear, so it makes sense that it really snatches you in. And I believe I put that one on yesterday. Ooh, these feel good to, like, they're thick. This is Coral Canton. The name is written in the back, like the quality, like, yo, TikTok shop are going with them something. Like, what? And it's actually adjustable, so that's nice. You can make it tighter or looser. And it has a portion that's really gonna snatch your waist in. You see that? You see that? And I got it in this color plum. Oh, it's bell bottoms. Yes. This is cute. Like something like this would eat at, like, if you're going to Pilates, or you want to go for, a little coffee date afterwards, or you just want to run errands, you just want to look cute. Spring and summer is coming. These jumpsuits are gonna come in clutch, and they have them in different colors. I got it in size small. So yeah, what else do I get? I think this is a press-on set, and I was actually doing a video for TikTok with another press-on set. Listen, I'm stocking them up right now. I'm tired of that set. I've been getting so many compliments on this set that I'm wearing, guys. It's crazy. Like everywhere I go, people are complimenting me on it, and it's like, what, this is going on to 3 weeks now that I've had this one on. Me, if you follow me, if I follow myself, I change press-on every week, but it makes no sense, because, like, I wouldn't do that if I was normally going to the salon. So why may I waste the press-on them? You know what I mean? No. So I have to hold myself. But I think I'm going to change them in the coming week. Yeah, I think I'm gonna change them in the coming week, or maybe before. I'm not sure, but yeah. Oh, it's more than one that I got from this company. Ugh. Not good. Yay. I did that, already? So I got this and this one, which I feel like this one is actually very similar to this one. So I don't think I'll be putting this on anytime soon. I never even realized. But this nice. This is like a perfect, like the color's giving Christmas, but this nice. It's giving Arabic. Some about it look Arabic. Like guys, my lighter dead. But yeah, I got them in a size medium. Well, the lighter dead, guys. But yeah, that is my very mini haul. Very mini haul. So oh wow, why am I throw this way? I'm gonna really use them here much doing it because I don't use the glue that come with them. But these are good, like the tape portions or whatever you call them, because if you want to put on a set really quick for just like to do a photo shoot or just short term, they come in very handy. But no, I'm gonna get something to eat right now, and then I'm gonna take this makeup off. I'm gonna get to editing. I have so much editing to do, and I really wanted to get to editing this vlog so you guys could have it for tomorrow, Wednesday. But as of right now, I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know. I think I'm not rushing it anyways. Like if you notice, I'm not holding myself to a set schedule at the moment with YouTube, because I feel like the algorithm is so discouraging. The algorithm right now is actually really discouraging. Like you could put in the world of work, and the thing about it with me and vlogs and my YouTube, I'm always gonna do it because I genuinely have fun. But if I ever feel like I'm at a point where I feel discouraged, I tell myself that it's okay to take a step back, and I felt like that's literally how I've been dealing with it these days. Still having fun. Like one thing about it, I'm always gonna give you guys like what you get on camera is who you get in real life, because a lot of people, you know, they'll be curious to know, is she really like how she is in the vlog? She says, you know, always. I never want to get clouded with just because this is my job, and of course I pay my bills from doing social media, not just YouTube. But like, it's discouraging when you put in a certain level of work and it's just like, what's going on, you know? And then it's like, know what the algorithm is. It feels like a math equation, if you get what I'm trying to say. It's like, oh, if you're not doing this, then it not gonna work. And these things that they're telling you to do are they're additional to the actual work that you're already putting in with producing the content, editing the content. These are all additional things. Like you have to promote it, yes, so you have to upload it at this specific time or publish it at this specific time. You want to make sure, say you do this specific amount of length. You need to study your analytics, which you actually need to look at those stuff for sure, but it's ever changing. It changes. The thing is, it's gonna change. That's inevitable. No problem with that. It's how rapid it's changing. It's like one moment you hear say it's like this, and then by a month or two you hear say change again. Like, are you setting me up for failure or something? So it's just like the rewards are so little for the world of work. That's how I feel. And this is just me leveling with you a little bit and letting you understand where my head is at the moment. And then on top of that, you have people who just want to face themselves with people, and it's just like, I would love, the thing is, those people that criticize so much, they're not gonna actually do this level of work. Like, they're not gonna, like, people come so hard at content creators, and it's like, have you ever actually put yourself in a position to properly create content and execute? And that's the thing. They're just projecting. It's people just projecting because they know that they can't manage and they could never, you know. I mean, we all are capable, but at the end of the day, you know, the fittest of the fittest shall survive, and it's just that type of thing. But yeah, I'm just having fun. And honestly, I was just thinking that, oh my gosh, I don't want to go out next week and don't put up the vlog, which at this moment I might edit the vlog and still have it up on Wednesday, which is when you're probably seeing this, which is tomorrow. But if not, I'm okay with putting it up on the weekend, because at the same time too, a lot hasn't been going on. Like this weekend was slow. I never go much places, I never do that much, and it's just like, okay, I'm talking too much right now. I've been talking for 5 minutes, but I want to get on my end day, and I just needed to level with you guys for a little bit and let you know, because I know I don't talk about the algorithm and all those stuff a lot, because I try to not base the content that I put out and me doing this job, base it off just the money that I'm making or the views. But at the end of the day, it does matter. You get me? It does matter if you're, you know. But the thing is, I know what I know I do have is community, and Divinity Nation, the real Divinity them, I know so them stand up and them short all the time for me. So big up to you guys, and yeah. But anyways, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip. So here's the thing, right? I intended on giving you guys like a full, to like conclude this vlog, like do a full day in the life at this portion, but I've decided that, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and start the next vlog. So that's what we're gonna do. So it's been a while since you guys got enough vlog on Sunday, so you're seeing this on Sunday because I've edited majority of the vlog already, like close to this point. So yeah, I got this brand new wig. It's a glueless wig. I got it from TikTok shop. It's in my showcase if you want it. It's literally 250% density, but it's so good. I'm gonna put it in my go-to collection, but like probably my go-to collection when I go like more like, you know, I'm going out. It's really nice, really nice. That Burmese curly. But yeah, if you made it this far if you made it this far in today's vlog, you can just go ahead and comment carnival season, because you guys know outside for carnival season, Jamaica carnival season. I'm so excited, but I'm trying to keep it under control, because I try my best to not go into things with too much high expectations. That's how you maintain the vibes, you know. Yeah, man, I try to not be overly excited. I'm excited, like, let's be sober, I'm excited, but you get what I mean, man. I try to not be too excited. So yeah, you guys need to stay tuned, because the vibes about to be lit. Okay, the vibes is about to be lit. Yeah, so no, just go and stay tuned to Petite-Sue TV, cause the vibes both from Brooklyn. Yeah, it's been a minute since we pop out. I really, yeah, get me? So yeah, I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Let me know if you guys are going to be jumping with Gen XS for Jamaica Carnival. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, feel happy, God know. But yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I know not a lot really happened in this vlog, but you know, that's just how it is sometimes. This is real life, okay? But yeah, the upcoming vlogs, yeah man, we're just gonna stay tuned and make up on the stuff. And if it's the first time checking me out, welcome. I upload weekly, so yeah. And if you want to keep up with me every single day, I am constantly on TikTok and Instagram, so go follow your girl there. The name is on the screen, and my second TikTok is PS Divinity. Okay, so follow your girl on all socials. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.